am an animal care and education intern. I help take care of the animals, I help prep their food. And I also do education programs where we teach kids about a specific species of animals and then we teach them how we would rehabilitate those animals. Co-op gives you experience in the field that you wouldn't necessarily get in the classroom.
We are a rehabilitation hospital for sea turtles and seals. We help care for stranded marine animals, and we also are an education and conservation center. Having co-op students and interns that are interested in becoming professionals in this field gives us a high quality level of volunteer that wants to learn and can contribute basically the information they've gained in their classes and their studies in the field and kind of put that to practical use here.
Co-op was an opportunity that I just couldn't pass up. Actually doing it is different than knowing it. So it gives me full-on hands experience that I'm really going to need if I want to pursue a career in wildlife rehabilitation. I want to help save wildlife and conserve habitats. Because Bristol, I now have experience as a wildlife rehabilitator that'll help me further my career.